It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to simplify this exponential expression with you. So there are a lot of right ways to simplify exponential expressions. I'm going to show you the way I like to do it. So I'm noticing in both fractions, I have the same variable in both the numerator and denominator. And my preferred way of simplifying this is to simplify those variables as much as possible before I apply the power on power rule. So in this particular fraction, I've got s's in the numerator and denominator. So I'm going to rewrite this. So remember, there's a 1 on this s that's not written. So we have s to the fourth divided by s to the 1. That means we subtract our exponents and we get s cubed, all divided by 3t to the fifth. And that whole fraction is now raised to the power of 4 times, let's switch up the color here, I notice that we have t's. So I end up with 3s to the fifth divided by 5, and I have t to the 1 minus t to the sixth. So I'm going to end up with t to the negative 5 in the numerator, but I'm going to just leave that down here so that I've got 5 t's in the denominator for now. So you could write that as t to the power of negative 5, or you could do it just like I did. Both ways are absolutely correct. That's kind of the cool thing about exponents. And now I'm going to apply the powers on each of these respective fractions. So s gets raised to the power of 3 to the power of 4. We multiply that to get s to the 12th. 3 gets raised to the power of 4. That's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 81, or 3 to the 4th. And then t gets raised to the 5th to the 4th, which is t to the 20th. On this one, 3 is squared, and we end up with 9. S to the 10th, I'm just multiplying my exponents. 5 is squared to get 25. And t gets raised to the power of 2 as well. So 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, let's simplify this all into one big fraction. Actually, before we do that, I'm going to do a little simplification so we don't have such large numbers. So I'm noticing these are multiplied. I'm going to cross reduce my exponents. So 9 divided by 81 is 1/9, or that leaves me with 9 in the denominator. So now I'm going to end up over here with s to the 12th times s to the 10th. And some of you are probably thinking, man, I would just simplify that straight out. Totally do that, up to you. For our purposes today, I'm writing everything out. Then I'm going to multiply 9 times 25, and that gives me 225. And then I have t to the 20th times t to the 10th. All right, and now I'm just going to go ahead and simplify this again. I'm going to add my exponents because I have s to the 12th times s to the 10th. Notice I'm not raising each s to another power. I'm just multiplying the bases together, which means we add. So s to the power of 22 divided by 225 times t to the power of 20 plus 10, which is 30. And this is your simplified exponential expression. Make sure to subscribe for more math videos. Till next time, remember, you've got this.